Wait. Hello, mic check, camera check. Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you how and where I get my packaging material from. But before that, if you haven't watched the episode 2, how to find wholesalers and manufacturers, go and check out now. Now let's begin. There are 6 things and one pro tip. The first thing is boxes. I'm sure you have seen these types of boxes in most of the packaging videos. These are called flap corrugated boxes. There are many types of boxes: corrugated boxes, 3-ply boxes, flap corrugated boxes, plastic box, hamper boxes, cake, pastry, and many more. I use flap corrugated boxes in white color and in 3 sizes. The first size is 4.5 into 3 into 1.5 for 1 to 3 piece order, and 4 into 1.5 for 4 to 8 piece order, and 6 into 4 into 2 for 8 or above items order. I have ordered all these boxes from Ures and they have low MOQ starting at just ₹4 per box, and this is not a sponsored video, by the way. Second thing is bubble wrap, honeycomb wrap, or butter paper. The boxes are good quality in itself, but for extra protection I add bubble wrap, which I got from Amazon back in 2021. It was a big roll. I don't remember how much meter, but recently I got this honeycomb paper, which is said to be as good as the bubble wrap, plus it's eco-friendly as well. You can also use these butter papers for more aesthetics, but I find butter paper to be more expensive than bubble wrap and honeycomb. Third thing is business cards. You can design your own business cards for free using Canva. It's easy to use and user friendly. If you want a tutorial on that, just let me know in the comments. I got these 100 business cards for 200 rupees, means 2 rupees each card, from Vista Print. Again, it's not sponsored. The fourth one is stickers or stamps. You can create your own stickers for free using Canva, or you can get them customized, or you can use thank you stickers. I use both. I got these logo stickers printed for 10 rupees from a local shop. I wanted glossy finish, but they only had matte, and I went with it. And I got these 500 sticker roll from Flipkart for ₹308. I will mention the link. If you don't want to add stickers, you can always get your own stamp. You can get it locally customized, or you can use Vista Print. But I didn't use stamp till now, so I don't know much about it. The fifth thing is mailers or bubble wrap mailers. Mailers are these polythene bags that are used for parcels. You can use gray ones or customized colors as well. I use gray ones in 2 sizes, 6 into 8 for my small and medium size box, and 8 into 10 for my bigger box. Also, the 6 into 8 one comes with the POD patch. You can add the address and invoice in that. Bubble wrap mailers are the mailers that have inbuilt bubble wrap. These are best for stickers, keychains, or small items. The sixth and the last thing is handwritten notes and freebies. My favorite part. Just handwritten notes have gotten me so many compliments and reviews. Always add a personal touch in your every order, because at the end of the day they are humans and you are also. Everyone loves handwritten notes over a printed card. I used to make notes like this before, but now I make cute little envelopes and add their name with the note. For freebies, in the beginning you don't need them, but if you want to add, you can use stickers, hair bows, mini hair clips, studs, etc. And the pro tip, if you are a beginner, you don't need to add all these things, but handwritten note is a must. And that's it. All the links are mentioned in the description down below. Please check out. Let me know if you have any queries or if I missed out something. Please like, share and subscribe. For the next video, I have 2 options: how I pack my orders, or how to ship your orders and how I do it. Let me know in the comments which video you want to see first. So stay tuned and hit the subscribe button with the bell. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video that you selected.